Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So fold the hairs upward and fix this bun pin on the hairs. Now tie it from the top and fold it down and fix this bun pin to tie the hairs, and it's ready. Next, you have to make a high ponytail like this. Now fold it little bit and tie the rubber band. Divide it from the between and then rotate the hairs. After that, you have to fix it upward over the bun and spread the hairs on the sides. Tie it using a rubber band and put the hair clutch over it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will be tying the hairs like this and fix this hair clip. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts, roll it and fix it inside the clip like this one by one. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the clips, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie a high ponytail. Now fix this bun stick. Now roll the hairs around it and then fold it upward and fix it to roll the hairs. Make a bun out of it and fix it properly, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie half of the hairs like this from both the sides and fix this hair clip. Now divide rest of the hairs into 3 parts, fold them and fix them upward like this inside the clips. Now tie all the hairs together on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the bun pin, and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Now after that, you have to divide the hairs from the between and then fold it upward. Fix it over the hair clutch like this, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail. Now take this bun clutch. First, we have to rotate the hairs and then tie it from the between. Fold it upward and fix it using the hair clutch like this, and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to tie the ponytail. Fix this bun foam. Now spread the hairs and tie it using a rubber band. Spread the hairs on the sides and put the rubber band over it and put the hair clutch like this, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs from both the sides and fix this hair clutch. Now tie all the hairs together and make a ponytail. Divide it from the between, fold it upward and fix it using this bun clutch, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail like this. Fold it half and then fix it. Now tie the hairs on the top, roll it down and fix it using the hair clutch as shown in the video, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail, fold it upward and fix this bun pin on the hairs. Now tie it on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun foam on the bun pins, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs as shown in the video. Make a ponytail. Fix it in the half. Now fold it inside the hairs and cover it and make a bun. Fix it using the rubber bands and put the hair clutch over it, and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Now tie the hairs and after that fix this bun clutch on the bun clip, and it's ready. Tie the hairs and then fix this bun clip on the hairs. Now roll it upward and spread it from the sides like this. Fix it properly and put the hair bun pin on the side, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, we will roll the hairs upward using the fingers like this. Fix it on the sides using this bun clip. Fix it on the hairs and clutch it, and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs as shown in the video. Make a high ponytail. Now roll it as shown in the video. Divide it first and then roll it. Now fold it upward and make a bun out of it. Fix it properly and put this bun clutch, and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.